Wow. Anyway, so there's the tire. Actually, I should say, here's the tread of the tire, so you can see what the tread looks like a little bit. It's kind of knobby. As you can hear the paint or the sleet starting to hit the paint. So I have to program the TPMS sensors of these, my OEM rims here, to the TPMS system. So that's what this video is going to be about. And if my voice sounds weird, I'm outside and it's getting cold. So I'm trying to like hurry through this, and I apologize. So these are my OEM rims. And these have the band style sensors in them. They have, probably 130,000 miles on them. I meant to replace them, but the sensors are $100 a piece. So I didn't do it. If you do have the band style, they're gonna be 180 degrees from where the valve stem sits. If you have a Gen 2 flex, most definitely you will have your TPMS sensor as the valve stem. Now, whether or not you can retrofit valve stem TPMS sensors on a Gen 1 flex, specifically a model year 2010, I'm not too sure. I have read reports of halfway through the 2010 year, they switched from the band style to the valve stem style for the TPMS sensors. So to program these, I'm gonna go back inside where it's nice and warm. We're gonna read the shop manual and put this in program mode. And we're going to use this tool, which is upside down. Oh, now we have dogs barking. Yay! I found this on Amazon. I believe it works for most Fords. I am not sure. If I don't edit that part out, then it works for most Fords. So let's get inside, because now I'm freezing my ass off. And here we are in the warmth of the house. I believe when you open this up, it should be general information 204. So we're gonna flip through 204. Actually, I think we're pretty close. Nope. Learn to read. I can't count. So here we are. What? Oh. Aha. And we're looking for tire pressure monitoring system programming, which I'm trying to read it through the screen. Oh, okay, we can see it. Illuminates flashes. What the hell? I think it's 204. I can't read. How about we go to 204.27? Right in front of me and I can't even read. 204.27. Was it 204.27? Oh. Let's do that all the way. All right, here we are. We're looking at the pressure monitoring training. So we have a lot of notes. And it looks like what we're doing is, let's zoom in on this a little bit here. We have a lot of notes. General proceeding. Here's a note about 2-minute time limit between the sensor responses. Okay, so I only got 2 minutes to go from tire to tire, it looks like. Different front and rear tire pressure sensors. Oh, this looks like you have to retrain your TPMS after a tire rotation. That's only if you have different tire sensors on all 4 tires, like F series it looks like. So the actual procedure here, let's get to the meat and potatoes here. We're looking at turn the position, turn the ignition switch to the off position, and then press and release the brake pedal. Well, what if it's on? Okay, so if it's off, then it's off. So I'm assuming then we start with the brake pedal, press and release, cycle the ignition from off to run 3 times, ending in run, press and release the brake pedal, turn the ignition switch off, turn it back on, turn the ignition switch from off to run 3 more times, ending in the run position. The horn should sound, and the indicator should be training mode. Okay, so that looks easy enough. Is there anything else we need to look? 6 seconds to activate the pressure, sensor monitor activation. This is the 180 degrees from the valve stem. That's if you have the band style. If you don't have the band style, then it's going to be the valve stem itself. The horn will sound briefly indicate the pressure sensor has been recognized. Okay. Oh, yeah. An automated version of this is available online. I don't have access to that. 2 minutes between each sensor. Okay. Well, that seems easy enough. The procedure is completed after the last tire has been trained. When training procedure is complete, the message center, if equipped, will display tire training complete. Well, all flexes have the message center, so I would assume then that this procedure is a generalized Ford procedure for many Ford vehicles that have the TPMS system. So, without further ado, let's go train these tires real quick. All right, and we're back outside. Let's put our key in. Press and release the brake. Go to run 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Plus and release the brake. Off. 1, 2, 3. Oh, horn honked. Now we gotta run. Now we gotta run. We gotta run. We gotta run. 180 degrees. Oh, that looks easy to do. Valve stem. Valve stem. Uh-oh. Yes. These batteries might be dying on me. Valve stem here. Oh. And we're running and we're running and we're running and we're running. Valve stem. Oh, come on, come on. Yay. Does it say program complete? Let's see. Oh, the light's off. Yay, yay, yay. Say bye to the dragon. Thank you guys for watching this quick video on how to program the TPMS sensors on the Ford Flex. If you liked it, hit like. If you disliked it, well, you know what to do. Please subscribe for more great content. Or more content, whether or not it's great, I can't really say it. You're the viewer, that's entirely up to you. And with that, I'm out.